Hello, this is Dr. Hawk, and welcome to this app. It's called EduBot AI. And again, this is an AI powered tool that was built. Initially, I built it using Gradio and Python and then moved it into Base 44 because it was just easier to keep up with everything. I was actually using Agentic AI for some of the functions. And again, I was able to do the same thing in Base 44. But I'll give you a quick walkthrough of this. So this is a tool that homeschooling parents can use to set up homework assignment or lessons for their students. There is in this case here, I'm logged in as a teacher and I have one student who is myself. This is all testing stuff. There's a dashboard that tells you, again, I'm in a teacher role. It shows that I have one student, which is actually myself. We have some other tools like grade distributions. If a teacher has multiple students, they can see how the distribution is going, and they can look at it and say, maybe we need to fine tune the lessons. This is progress tracking. This is for exams, so you can actually create exam. Teachers or homeschooling parents can create exams. There are additional resources here you can find. You can click on the resources and figure out, what they need, or type it in here. There's a curriculum. You can actually build an entire curriculum using this tool, which is really great. And it is very context specific. So it looks at a grade and says, this is what you can do for pre-K. This is what you can do for second grade. And then there are two options: traditional curriculum or project-based learning. Both give the users, which is a teacher and a student, and the opportunity to change or determine how the learning should occur. So in other words, if I want a traditional curriculum to just teach students the facts and go with the traditional curriculum, and then you can do testing. The project-based is more hands-on, more applied learning, and this is great for students who are in the high school, at the high school or middle school level. And I think a lot of educational organization, are going to have to switch to this model because of the changes in our workforce needs. This is a lesson planner. See here, the same thing you can do traditional or project-based. You can include assignments, so you can generate a lesson with assignment quizzes, and you can also embed AI literacy content within here. And then this is the helper for any student who's having a hard time. Maybe they got home from school and they have a homework assignment that they don't understand. They could upload it here and get help from the AI helper. Again, this is a really awesome tool, all AI powered, built again originally by Gradio and Python, and the JSON files changed over to Base 44.